Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a PES Mobile player and you're stuck with that annoying error code C Najm 1009 in the 2025 version, don't worry. We've got you covered. This error can pop up due to issues like network problems, outdated app versions, or even corrupted files, but I'm here to walk you through some simple fixes that should get you back in the game in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Sometimes, a weak signal is the culprit. Open your device's settings, go to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and restart your router if needed. Test it out by loading another app or website. Next, update your PES Mobile app. Developers release patches to fix bugs like this one, so head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the App Store, and check for any available updates. If there's a new version, download and install it. This could resolve the error instantly. If that doesn't work, try clearing the cache and data for the game. On Android, go to Settings, Apps greater than PES Mobile, Storage, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device. This refreshes the app and removes any temporary glitches. Another effective step is to reinstall the game entirely. Uninstall PES Mobile from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. Remember to back up your game progress if possible to avoid losing data. If you're still seeing the error, it might be worth checking for any server issues on the game's official website or social media. Sometimes, it's a widespread problem that needs fixing from the developer's end. As a last resort, contact PES Mobile support with details about your device and the error for personalized help. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error code C Najm 1009 and get back to dominating the field. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.